Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. Open any editing application. I use VN application. Now go to Settings. Now go to Preference and then choose Fill Style as Fill. Now click plus icon and go to New Project and add your one video. Now select Format 9:16. Now delete end part. Now set video duration to 3.7 seconds. Now turn down the video volume to 0. Now click on plus icon and go to Photo. Now go to Setting and set photo duration to 0.3 second. Now add 7 photos. Now click on plus icon and go to Photo. Now go to Setting again and set photo duration to 0.2 second. Now add 10 photos. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now check video. Now export. Now save to album. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.